Class 7. This is the second part of Kingdom Animalia. In this we are going to learn about the vertebrates or the phylum Chordata, which includes animals that have a nerve cord, and all vertebrates having a backbone are included in it. The lower end of the backbone forms the tail. There are about 5 classes in the subphylum Vertebrate. Fishes or pulses is the first class. They are aquatic animals, have a streamlined body to help them swim with fins and tail. They breathe through gills, they lay eggs in water, and the fertilization is external. A two-chambered heart they have, and they are cold-blooded, means their body temperature changes with the surroundings. Sharks, electrograys, goldfish, carps, seahorses are some examples of pulses. The second class is amphibia, meaning partly on land and partly in water. They have a moist skin through which they can breathe when swimming in water. On land they breathe through lungs. Their buccal cavity or mouth cavity can help them breathe in marshy areas and even in water. They lay their eggs in water like fishes, and the fertilization is external by sperms released into the water. The larvae of amphibia are called tadpoles. They stay in water and then they metamorphose into adult frogs which can live on. Amphibia are mostly having 4 limbs and a 3-chambered heart. They are again cold-blooded. Frogs, toads, newts and salamanders are some examples of amphibians. The third class is reptilia under the subphylum Vertebrae. They are land animals with 4 limbs, skin dry, scaly, breathing through lungs only. No life cycle of them stays in water, but they can swim very well in water. They lay soft-shelled eggs on land, have a 3-chambered heart, and they are cold-blooded. Turtles, lizards, crocodiles, snakes are examples of reptiles. Then we have aves, the bird group. Their body is covered with feathers with a streamlined body to help them fly in air. Light, hollow and pneumatic bones. They have scales on their legs and feet with claws. Mouth modified into a beak, no teeth. They lay eggs with hard shells in nests on land and take care of their eggs plus the young ones also. They have a 4-chambered heart and they are warm-blooded animals, means their body temperature remains the same and does not changes with the surroundings. Parrots, eagles and seagulls are examples of aves. Their 4 limbs are modified into wings to help them fly in air. They have very strong shoulder and breast muscles. The last class, the most evolved class of vertebrates is Mammalia. These animals can live on land and in water. They breathe using their lungs. They have hair on their bodies. They give birth to young ones. The mother animal secretes milk to feed the young ones, and they take really good care of the babies. Some mammals are exceptions. They lay eggs like the duck-billed platypus. Tigers, rabbits, elephants are examples of this. That's all in this chapter. Thank you.